Alright, so the last video I did, I got stuck in the middle of this, and I got stuck in the middle again, but I only had a few hours to work on it. And I got all my parts that I needed. The only thing I haven't done to this side is put the key back in and crank the torsion bars. Here we go. Got the Cognito shock hoops. I don't know if those shocks are going to work out. I think they might be a little too long. Hopefully they don't destroy stuff. Yeah, that front one wasn't bad. It's the gearbox it bolts onto, but that one, I got a good drill bit, so it drilled right through. A little worried about doing the other side because I had to drill both holes. My Cognito sway bar links. I know people were probably waiting to see that. I mean, the other video I did was pretty boring. It was just me swearing and not getting anything done. So yeah, I really don't have time to work on this stuff, so I don't know how long the other side's gonna take. I mean, yeah, but anyways, there you go. I think it'll look pretty sweet with those tires back on it. Kryptonite lower, ball joint, obviously the Cognito upper. I think I need to zip tie that. The kit came with some zip ties, but they're too small. My brake line, I just slid it down a little bit and bent it up. Get my high articulation axle shaft. Yeah. Alright. I can't wait till it's all done. I'll do a video when I get the other side all done and it's all up and ready to go. I think I might put some airbags in the rear. Somebody swapped them over to springs and took the compressor and stuff out, but I mean, like, they got airbags that you could put in the springs. I did it to my GTO and they worked out pretty good. It handled pretty good. Well, that's all, folks.